Hello there and welcome to another tutorial on Google Calendar. This tutorial is going to show us the search function in Google Calendar. Lots of times, we were wondering when was that event, or when did that, or where was I, or I forgot when that was. And we're having to find, I don't know about you, but sometimes I have trouble finding those events in my calendar. So what I do is I use the search feature, which is located right up here by this magnifying glass. Now, I can just search, for example, if I want to search for kindergarten and see when any events were maybe tagged with that. And so I can see here all my events for kindergarten. They are kind of a little bit grayed out because they happened in the past. The other thing that I can do, which I think is the secret sauce, is I can actually search over here with an advanced search. And so it gives me a lot of options. I can search a particular calendar. If I don't want to search all the calendars, I can look by keywords. I can look like, oh, I know that my friend Yesenia Gutierrez was at this event, and so I can search by a particular person. I can search for a particular location. Let's see. So when I search Yesenia, I can see all of the events that are under Yesenia, which I think is pretty awesome. I can come back here, same. I can search by where. I can search by keywords it doesn't have. I can search by date, or I can do a combination. For example, I know that it was kindergarten, and I know that it happened somewhere in between March 4th and April and May 27th. And then I can hit search, and then I can see the two events. Oh, that's when Ranger Tammy came, right there. And so the search function I find to be very helpful. Now if I want to just reset it, I can go ahead and click reset, hit the escape button. You can see it's still up there. So how am I going to get out? This back arrow right up here will take me out of the search function. And so search function really helps you find those events that you need to find if you're looking to reference them at any point. Hopefully this helps using the search function and Google Calendar. Thanks for watching.